AI isn't about replacing people, it's about reducing friction. Small businesses don't need massive automation projects or expensive platforms. They need simple, reliable tools that save time, reduce errors, and keep work moving. Most owners tell me the same things. Too many manual steps, too much rework, too many disconnected tools. Too much time spent chasing information. AI will absolutely help you in many ways, and always under your direct control. Your private, local AI will capture information consistently, automate repetitive tasks, keep your team aligned, make your workflows predictable, and free up time for more meaningful customer relationships. I build AI systems that fit the way you already work, not the other way around. SantaFeeBusiness.ai, practical AI for real businesses like yours. Let's discuss how we can work together. A fractional CTO can be a game changer for your business, helping you scale efficiently and maximize your technology investments. To see how we can benefit your company, visit SantaFeeBusiness.ai/hello. Let's build your future together.